Allahu Rahman Ya Rahim. You are the merciful, the compassionate. Ya Malik, Ya Qudus, Ya Salam. You are the King, the Holy, the Peace. Ya Mu'min, Ya Muhaymin, Ya Aziz. You are the Beaver, the Protector, the Mighty. Asmaul husna, the beautiful names. They guide us, they bring us peace. Asmaul husna, the divine attributes. In your presence we find release. Allahu, Allahu Akbar. Allahu, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Rahman Ya Rahim. You are the merciful, the compassionate. Ya Malik, Ya Qudus, Ya Salam. You are the King, the Holy, the Peace. Ya Mu'min, Ya Muhaymin, Ya Aziz. You are the Beaver, the Protector, the Mighty. Asmaul husna, the beautiful names. They guide us, they bring us peace. Asmaul husna, the divine attributes. In your presence we find release. Allahu, Allahu Akbar. Allahu, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Rahman Ya Rahim. You are the merciful, the compassionate. Ya Malik, Ya Qudus, Ya Salam. You are the King, the Holy, the Peace. Ya Mu'min, Ya Muhaymin, Ya Aziz. You are the Beaver, the Protector,